like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today we are going to be showing you a DIY oatmeal and borage oil face mask.
Yes, very exciting. It's great for people who have acne skin and dry skin, so it's really moisturizing.
Yes.
So what you'll need is 1 cup of oats. So I'm going to pour that in. And then you'll need about a 1/2 cup to a 3/4 cup of hot water. And you want hot so that the oatmeal kind of like absorbs the water. Okay.
Let it absorb a little bit.
Yeah, let that absorb. And then you will also need 1 tablespoon of honey. We've got that pre-measured.
I love honey.
Makes it sweet.
Yes.
And then you'll also be needing 1 tablespoon of borage oil.
Melissa, we are making a oatmeal and borage oil face mask, Melissa. So it's very moisturizing for your skin.
Yeah, very easy to make too.
Definitely.
At-home skincare doesn't have to be hard.
It does not.
Okay, and then the last thing that you will need is a 1/2 of a banana mashed. So I'm going to go ahead and mash this.
Just so it absorbs a little bit more. You want me to start more for you?
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
You love... Oh, that's great that you love our products. Do you have a favorite Plantlife product, Melissa? I love our products as well.
Me too.
I use basically... My whole skincare regimen is basically all Plantlife.
Yeah.
You can't beat natural products.
Yeah, don't miss our favorites video. We did talk about all of our favorites for 2017.
Yes, we did.
Okay, so you're going to add your 1/2 banana mashed.
You want to stir it in.
All right, and then mix it all together. You can kind of mash the banana a little more. Okay, so it looks good to go. I'm going to apply it with a face brush. So it's not going to be super thick like other face masks. Not quite like our charcoal one, but it's a little thin. You're going to see oats on my face. It's going to look a little funny. But
you can also use less water.
True, less water would have been, nice.
Alright, so bananas are actually really moisturizing. The potassium helps hydrate and moisturize dehydrated skin. It contains B vitamins, which do help protect against free radicals. It also has vitamins A, which helps with acne spots and if you have dark spots on your face as well. And bananas are also rich with other vitamins and amino acids. You'll volunteer to be our model next time?
Oh great.
Cool, thanks.
Come on in.
So honey, which is another ingredient that we use, is great because it acts as a natural humectant, which means that it attracts moisture to the skin and it helps deliver it into your skin and even deeper into your skin's layers. No problem, Dana. I see you're having a great time with your face mask over there.
Yes, I'm trying to apply it. Maybe a little less water.
So honey also hydrates your skin without it leaving it oily, like a lot of other products you might use. It might leave your face a little oily, but honey doesn't leave it oily. It leaves it nice and soft. It also has enzymes that help clarify your skin, and it does help clear out your pores. So it's great for acne and acne-prone skin. And it does have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is really cool.
Really great for acne.
Yeah, definitely.
So, I'm dripping. So the other ingredient here is borage oil, and that oil is really great because it's extremely moisturizing for the skin. It absorbs really quickly, so it doesn't leave greasy residue on your face. It's also an emollient oil, which means that it helps soften and soothe the skin. And it's kind of interesting, borage oil is actually considered to have the highest content of essential fatty acids compared to like all other seed oils. So it's very nutrient dense, very good for your skin.
Yeah, definitely. Use coconut oil, baking soda, and oatmeal as a scrub. Oh, that's a great idea. Sounds really good.
We'll have to try that next time.
It's fab. Yeah, it sounds fab, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. So oatmeal is really good for you, and it is National Oatmeal Month, if you did not know. So oatmeal is another natural humectant. Let's see. I'm hungry.
I got a little in my mouth, and it tastes delicious. The honey made it really sweet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It smells really sweet too.
Yeah.
Oatmeal is a natural humectant as well. It's great for acne and acne-prone skin, just like honey. And it does absorb oil, which is really good. It does look interesting on your face as well. It does have amino fatty acids that are essential to healthy skin, and it has soothing properties and is hypoallergenic, which makes it a great choice to alleviate, like if you have rashes or sunburns or an allergic reaction. Oatmeal is actually really good to use on any of those. And it's a great exfoliator, like Christy, she uses it as a scrub, in her scrub, so it does help exfoliate your skin and leave this nice, healthy, beautiful glow.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
All right, so you want to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and take this off now, just for the sake of time.
So we also have oatmeal products here at Plantlife. So we have our oatmeal almond soap, and then we also have our apricot oatmeal skin bar. So both of these have oatmeal in them, and they work amazing on your skin. And it's great. I can just read the back of it to say what it says. So oatmeal almond alleviates itchy, flaky skin the natural way. Contains organic oatmeal to soothe and moisturize skin, and ground almonds to gently exfoliate. It's a great soap for those sensitive to smell, and gentle for all skin types.
It does smell so good too.
Yes, it does.
That one is excellent.
I love the smell.
And it kind of like, the oatmeal in it really gently exfoliates. It's not like a harsh exfoliant.
Yes, that makes it great for if you do have sensitive skin.
Yes.
You love our soaps. Yeah.
Thanks, Olivia.
Thank you, Olivia. We do have some pretty awesome soaps here.
I agree.
So the apricot oatmeal, it nourish, hydrate, and condition your skin with this gentle, deep cleansing formula abundant in nature's goodness. Soothing oatmeal improves overall complexion, restores a normal pH balance, and promotes cell regeneration by gentle exfoliation. It's infused with carrot oil and plant extracts, which are a rich source of essential vitamins, fatty acids, and natural antioxidants necessary for your skin's health.
Yeah, that one's better for like face too.
Yeah.
It's gentle enough to use on your face.
Yeah, and carrot is very good for your skin. So this bar is amazing if you need, if you're looking for something to wash your face with, I definitely suggest checking out our apricot oatmeal.
Yeah, that one's good. Yeah. Or our other skin bars too, but I really like that one.
But this one's really good. It has, you can see like a little bit of the grounds in here, so it does help exfoliate your skin. So.
All right, so my face feels really great. It's very moisturized. I am prone to dry skin and acne, so this is one of the better face masks for me. So yeah, it's super easy to do.
Can you get it in the store? It depends on what store you're looking for. If you go to our website, plantlife.net, we do have a store locator, and there you can find stores that are in your area. It does have their phone numbers as well. We don't know exactly what everyone has in stock, but it does have their phone numbers if you want to contact them and see if they have any of the oatmeal products or, any product that you're looking for in particular.
And some stores will special order too, so just
yes.
Ask if you're curious.
Yeah, exactly. Well, as always, we appreciate you guys for watching. Let us know in the comments if you try this oatmeal mask, or if there's any other DIYs or anything that you want to learn more about Plantlife. Thanks for Oh, you're welcome, Barbara. And as always, we'll see you next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
See you guys next week.
Bye.